Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Jacquelyn Flores. I'm the Academic Advisor at TELACU Veterans Upper Bound Program, and I'm going to show you how to access Lynda.com from LinkedIn. So as you see here, Lynda.com from LinkedIn is a comprehensive collection of expert and videos, tutorials, and courses that can be viewed at your own pace, either on campus or at home, as well as to get free access to Lynda, you just need an LA City library card or an LA County library card. If you currently don't have one, below are the links to apply. So as you can see here, I have the links already ready for me. I just wanted to show you what the links look like. So if you don't have a library card, I would definitely highly suggest you apply right now. Personally, I think the LA County e-card is super easy to access. The application, once you put that link in the URL, pretty much you just go straight to the application part, and it should take about no more than 2 or 3 days that they send you the library card number and your PIN. So now that I've already accessed it and I've already applied, I have it now, and now I'm ready to show you how to log into LinkedIn. So we're going to go here. I'm going to start over here. So this is the page to get in. So as you can see here, they have, a little gist of what they have online and everything. So now that you are a free member, you just need to sign in, and you click on that. And you still remember, again, you were directed by the Lynda.com after logging in through the Los Angeles County Library, Public Library, excuse me. And right here, you're going to have your library card and your library card PIN. Now, remember, the email that you use, remember that you sent it to that email, because reason being is that they send it to your email. So making sure that you remember your own email password, and in order to access it. Okay, so let's go into mine now. I've already logged in. So as you can see here, Lynda.com, here it is, and we log in. And you just check it out. So the library has some really cool stuff. So they have like 3D animation. This is the library. So 3D animation, audio and music, business, CAD, design, developer, education, e-learning, etc. As you can see here in the library on the tab up top. And you just click on it and you just check it out for free. Now, depending on the expertise that you feel that you're at, you can start off from beginning all the way to advanced. So it's definitely beneficial at this moment and at this time. So if you have any more comments or concerns, please let me know. Definitely please email me. My email is